How to fix Messenger video call problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix video call problem in Messenger. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you want to actually fix video call problem, let's say you're trying to open up Messenger, you're trying to make a call to someone, but you're not being able to do so. That could happen due to multiple reasons. When you're trying to make a video call and it's not going up or to the video call section, it's because the Messenger app is most likely lacking the camera permission. So we have to give our Messenger app the access to camera. In most cases, when you just tap on the video call icon, you'd be able to find it. But if not, then you can go to settings, and here on the settings app, just go to the option called apps over here. And once you go to apps over here, you want to look for Messenger. So just go ahead and search for the Messenger app and find it and tap on it. As you do so, go to the option called storage. As you go to storage, tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. Once you tap on clear cache and data, you want to come back and come to permissions. Once you come to permissions, go to the option called camera. Make sure to allow while using the application, the camera permission, and then come back basically. And as soon as you come back again, here you want to go to the option called microphone. Allow it, because while video call, the microphone is also going to get used. So you want to make sure to allow the microphone permission as well. Once you've done so, you might need to relog into your Messenger account because we've cleared the data. If it asks you for a confirmation, you can just tap on the allow button when it asks you that it wants to use the camera or microphone. And hope this video helped you as to how you can fix if you're not being able to video call on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.